Oh, the baby gardener has stood up. What you doing down here, shorty? Girl, look at mama.
Welcome back to Garden of Treats. We had a family emergency and we were away from the garden for about 3 weeks. So this video we will show you everything that we need to take care of in the garden. And special shout out to our neighbor. She took care of our garden really well while we were gone.
Oh, y'all got. Damn, they did bust up out of there. Alright. Oh, look at the apple trees growing new stem down there. Dang, the apple tree bushed out. Look at this.
Oh wow, it looks beautiful.
Man, look at this tomato. Damn.
Oh my.
Alright. This clocking our work. Look at these green beans. This is a different type of green beans.
Wow. Look at these green beans. I don't think they have flowers yet. Oh man, watermelon. What the heck?
You gotta treat these things. How y'all doing? Y'all alright?
Well, this melon could come off.
These cucumbers on this side? Cucumbers, right?
I planted all cantaloupe. Well, I did plant cucumber in there, but then it didn't come up, so I planted more cantaloupe. So.
These cantaloupe leaves, these leaves look a little different.
Oh look, they got flowers.
Yeah, they're gonna be busting soon. That's what I want me some fruit. Oh, there's a melon right there. I already see one.
Oh, our first cantaloupe.
What's up, cantaloupe? How you doing?
Could be more.
What you thinking, Bella? How it's looking? Where the mint? Oh, look at the mint. Peppermint. Crazy.
Oh, nice.
What's this right here growing?
That was a strawberry.
Some right here growing too. They're right there, all three of those.
I think one of these is ginger and one is garlic.
It should be alright. This is how they do it back in the country right here. Mm-hmm. You know, like that? You just like that? You got your piece of that corn hood, right? Do it like that? You good for right there? Hey, quick story real quick. Check me out. Check me out. So, when I grew up in Ohio, right? We used to live by this cornfield. A big-ass cornfield. Cornfield had to be like 5 football fields left, right, 360, right? And we used to go in there and play like hide and seek, you feel me? And then we also used to throw the corn at each other. And we used to get so lost in the cornfield, sometimes it'd take us to sundown to get out the cornfields because that's how massive and big it was. And if you came out the other end, you would have to walk all the way back to the crib, and it would probably take like an hour plus to walk back to the crib because you didn't want to go back in the cornfield when the sun went down, you feel me? So I got a real significant relationship with this corn.
It's the herb station.
This girl back here standing up in the wagon. What you doing? She said, I'm trying to get in the garden for real. I'm over here fixing up the tomato plants, and homegirl over here juicing up. It must be the mangoes you had this grand rising. Is it the mango power? You had some juice too.